Hello, I'm Steve. This is Bit of Munch. Now, you might remember a few days ago I reviewed the sides breaded chicken, which was distinctly average, shall we say. Well, I've got another sides product. I've got this one. Jalapeno and cheese stuffed hash brown nuggets. And these were £3.50. Yeah, I know. Yeah, it's all the money. I doubt if I'll be reviewing any more sides products, but there might be one that catches my eye and I think, oh, or I hear reviews about it, or hear people talking about it and they're saying it's amazing. So never say never, but doubtful. Okay, 16 stuffed hash brown nuggets, Sidemen approved. Right, these take 8 minutes in the air fryer. Formed shredded potato and dried potato with processed cheese and jalapeno chili filling pre-fried. There's not much I can tell you about them really. They're 68% potato. The cheddar cheese and jalapeno filling is 18%, of which the jalapeno chili is 6%, so not much in there at all. And it does show you a chili rating on the front here, and it's got 1 out of 3, so they're not going to be spicy, are they? But will they be any good? And the big question I've got is, will they taste like hash brown? Because obviously the cheese and the jalapeno could be quite strong, so will you actually be able to detect the hash brown taste? I hope so, because that's what makes them a bit different, really. We'll see. Right, let's cut the bag open. So I've got my scissors handy and see what they look like. Right. There you go. That's one of them. So I'll probably do, I don't know, 3 or 4 of them. Stick them in my air fryer. I say, they take 8 minutes. You do them 4 minutes, turn them over, another 4 minutes. So I'll bring you back when they're air fried. And 8 minutes later, here they are. Right, I've cut one in half, and as I cut it in half, some of the cheese started to dribble out the end. You see that? They don't smell of a lot. They do smell like hash browns, I have to say. I can't smell the cheese. I can't smell the jalapeno. The only smell really is a hash brown smell. Okay. Right, I'm just going to have a lick of that little bit of cheese there. Oh, that tastes of jalapeno. Yeah. Doesn't particularly taste of cheese, but it tastes of jalapeno. Okay. Oh yeah, I'm liking that. Yeah. That's a lot nicer than the sides chicken I had. Excuse me. That really is. It's well seasoned. And yes, you can tell it's hash brown. Definitely. You can taste the jalapeno. The cheese is the least prominent taste in that. Although having said that, that bite had a lot more cheese in it. fact, if I squish it, that might come out. Will it? There you go. You can see it oozing there a little bit anyway. That's really nice. Not spicy. I mean, it said 1 chilli rating, didn't it? To be honest, it's barely even that. There's a tiny, tiny hint of spice there. But the aftertaste I'm getting, it is mainly hash brown. Yeah. A very nice product, that. Oh, I put the bag back in my freezer. Hang on a second. Hang on. I thought I'd left it out. Okay, let's take the peg off. Good old pegs, eh? What do we do without them? Definitely recommend that. They're expensive, yes. I agree with that. So don't start all your comments saying, oh, I wouldn't buy them, they're too expensive. I know. But, putting the price aside just for a minute, they are a very good product. They taste of hash brown, they taste of jalapeno. Yeah, they do taste of cheese a little bit, but that's really subtle. I've got to have one more bite. Very, very good. You know what? Even at that price, I would buy them now and again. Not very often, because yes, they're expensive, but I would buy them now and again because they're really good. Really good. I'm pleasantly surprised by that. I really am. So, I've had one sides product that was distinctly average, and one that's well above average. So, where do we go from here? I'm undecided now. Okay, let me know your thoughts. I'm sure a lot of you have got some thoughts about that one. And I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to... I messed that up, didn't I? Don't forget to hit the like button. There we go.